In this video, we're going to show you how to get rid of pimples fast. In fact, if you've tried everything to get rid of pimples, but nothing seems to work, you're in the right place. Because we will show you the exact step-by-step process for getting rid of pimples for good. Let's face it, acne is a difficult problem to fix. So if you want to completely get rid of pimples, you need to follow a comprehensive approach that includes every aspect of your life. And that's exactly what we're going to show you how to do in this video, step by step. Starting with step number 1, making sure that your face is clean. Most people think that regularly washing their face is enough, but that couldn't be further from the truth. There are 2 things that you need to pay extra attention to: your hands and your pillowcase. Your hands encounter dirt and bacteria throughout the day, and every time you touch your face, you may be contaminating your skin with pore-clogging substances. Regularly washing your hands is a good first step, but you should avoid touching your face altogether. The other thing that may be causing your pimples is your pillowcase. Think about it. Your face is in direct contact with your pillowcase for about a third of your day, every day. Many people are able to completely get rid of pimples by simply increasing the frequency that they wash their bedding. It is recommended that you change your bedding at least twice a week. And if you want to go the extra mile, you can change it every day. Are you done with the laundry? Great. Let's keep moving with step number 2. Steer clear of irritants. Anything that causes skin inflammation will make your pimples worse, so you need to remove anything that irritates your skin. This step is tricky because each person has different triggers that irritate their skin. Common irritants include soap, fabric softener, nickel, latex, and fragrances. Food allergies and sensitivities can also cause skin reactions. The best way to find out what your triggers are is by trial and error. If you notice that certain foods or products make your skin react, try to avoid them to see if your skin improves. One thing that irritates your skin and always makes your acne worse is popping pimples. We know it's tempting, but please leave your pimples alone. Popping them will clog the surrounding pores, cause inflammation, and may even leave a scar. Now it's time for our third step for getting rid of pimples: improving your diet. The first thing you should do is to eliminate high glycemic index foods and dairy. There is growing evidence showing that a diet high in sugary foods is associated with acne, and it has been shown that consuming dairy is correlated with the appearance of pimples. One thing is sure, your skin will look much better if you stick to nutritious whole foods and abstain from sweets and dairy. There are also certain supplements you can take that will help you get rid of pimples. These include zinc, fish oil, vitamin A, vitamin E, and pantothenic acid. All of these have been shown to significantly improve acne. And when combined with a clean diet, they're powerful allies for getting rid of pimples. Let's dive right into step number 5, sleep like a baby. Not sleeping enough is one of the main culprits for pimples. Seriously. If you want to have clear skin, a good night's sleep goes a long way. You can do several things to improve your sleep quality, such as limiting caffeine during the day, setting a consistent sleep schedule, and avoiding looking at bright screens before bed. We hope you didn't fall asleep because we're moving to step number 6, choosing the right skincare products. This might be obvious to some people, but many skincare products are packed with comedogenic ingredients that clog the skin pores. So when you put anything on your skin, you need to make sure that it's non-comedogenic. And remember, just because something is natural, it doesn't mean that it won't clog your pores. In fact, common comedogenic ingredients include coconut oil, almond oil, and algae extract. This also applies to makeup. Always look for makeup products that are non-comedogenic and non-oily. Remember, pimples are a delicate problem, and using unproven home remedies and quick fixes might actually make your pimples worse. Applying the strategies that we showed you in this video is the best way to get rid of pimples fast and forever. What about you? Have you ever had a problem with pimples? Have you tried any of these strategies? Let us know what you think by leaving a comment below. Now, if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Safe Topicals for more actionable hair and skin tutorials.